Grab the doggy, Jadelynn. Charlie. Charlie. Hey, bring him here, Jadelynn. Bring him here. You're gonna choke him. Put him down. Put him down, because you're gonna choke him. Jadelynn, put him on the floor. Put him on the floor, please. Come on. Charlie. You okay there, buddy? Are you in a chokehold? Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, everyone. You a princess today with your crown looking all pretty? Yeah? Careful. Go, drink. You're a big girl. You can do it. Little bit. You got it. Oh, you. Are you okay there? Come on. Give me the cup. Here. Little bit at a time. Little bit. Little bit. Hey, there you go. You okay?
Okay.
Yeah, good girl. You're a big girl. Where's Charlie? Charlie. Time to give you 5. Charlie. Hey, relax. Give me 5. Good boy. Give me paw. Good boy.
Give 5.